Welcome to AP Workshops and welcome to the face mask giveaway. So welcome back to the AP face mask giveaway. We have got ably demonstrated by the man, the myth, the legend that is Snox himself. We have got 5 masks to give away. As it goes, these ones here, no problems, and we are giving these away to people who have contacted us or nominated people in the past who've done something worthwhile during the madness that has been this COVID lockdown. So we have got Marcin from Poland. You got in touch. Yeah man, you can have one, you're a legend, no problem. One of our admin has been nominated by Matt Thompson, and that is Spence. Mate, you have got one of these on the way, because we was with you on that one all the way through. Tony Jackson from North Shields, you responded on the YouTube channel, mate. Get in touch, we're going to send one of those to you. Yours was just brilliant. Andy Wedden, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Andy Wedden. You have deserved and you have been nominated to get one of those, so you're getting one of those. And our Portuguese friend Enrique Cunha, Enrique, there is one of those in the post to you. Congratulations, well done. You too.
Thank you very much.
You too can look like Snox when you're going and doing your shopping in Sainsbury's. Thanks very much, guys. Take care. If you want to get in touch with us, no problems. You can get in touch with us for any of your spare parts, accessories, your needs, anything along those. If you can't find it on the website, get in touch. sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can ring us at the shop, no problems. We answer the phone, we answer all the emails first thing in the morning, so you will get a response. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. I think there's a little bell somewhere that you can push in. It gives you a notification when it's there. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.